Bibili ko ng Marca da Bolo.
Ciao, ciao, bro.
Buongiorno. Avete Marca da Bolo? 16 euro.
Solo contanti però.
Sì, sì. Va bene questo. 16. Grazie. Ciao. So nakabili ako. Hi guys. May pa-video tayo ulit. So nandito na naman ako sa municipal namin. So pang-apat na punta ko na to. So kukunin ko na yung ha? Pay for? I don't understand. Yes.
I forgot suddenly. I said, why don't have cash?
So nandito na naman kami sa municipal. So pang-apat na punta na namin to. So kukunin na namin yung pipick upin namin yung aming yung Italian ID ko. Yes. Yun yung ID ko, yun yung Italian ID ko na citizen na ako dito sa
Because before
Italy.
you had the real Italian ID, but it was a
Yes,
stamp
I have a
writing not
I
for
have an
expat.
I have an ID like a residence. But now it's
Even
a
before, it was the same-
citizen.
No, but before it was even like mine. Just have one right say you can go out from Italy with this document.
So dito na naman kami. Let me video to going out. So, bago kami napunta dito, bumili muna ako ng Marca da Bolo. 16 euro. Para sa documents ko ng certificate of citizenship. So, you can use. Okay, nakuha na namin yung aming ID. Ang tawag dito ay Carta Identita. Dati, meron din akong Carta Identita, pero old version siya. So, ito, bago na. So, itong card na to, ito yung officially na Italian citizen na ako. So, ito yung ID. Parehas na kami ng ID ni G. So, ito na. Ito na ang aming ID. Nagpa-renew na rin si G kasi old version yung kanyang Carta Identita. So, what is yours?
Don't show the inside.
I know. Ay, so good.
No, don't show
yeah,
this.
I don't see. OMG. How I can, no, even I can fold. Guys, ito na oh. Oh. So itong ID ko, parehas na kami ni G ng ID. So Italian citizen na ako talaga. Itong ID to ay Italian citizen. So, ang susunod ko
Residence.
So, ang next ko namang gagawin ay yung dual citizenship naman sa Milan. Pupunta ako sa Milan sa embassy, sa consulate para mag-submit at i-report yung yung citizen Italian citizen na ako. So, may nakita ko sa internet, sabi mag-oath taking din daw.
Wait lang, let's show me again. Read here.
Cittadinanza, nationality, Italy.
Italy.
The expiration is
Your birthday.
2033. So how many years?
Your birthday. 10
Yeah, but-
years.
It's 10 years. Okay.
But your birthday.
I know.
Is your birthday?
Yes.
Eh.
But the year is 2033.
But you understand, is less than 10 years because even mine, the documents in Italy, they
And my
expired.
signature is no good to see.
But no, even here, but no need, it's okay. It's all the important thing is inside.
But good thing have English thing. English,
Yes.
Oh my God!
Because with this you have to go in all Europe.
Ah, okay.
Look this even.
Naman na video ko, yung pupunta ako sa Milan sa consulate para magpa-report, mag-submit ng requirements para sa dual citizenship. So ngayon magsisirox ako ng mga documents, panibago na nawang process after process ng documents for the citizenship. Ngayon naman na naman panibagong Xerox copy na naman ng dual citizen naman sa Pilipinas naman, sa side naman ng Pilipinas.
Aman.
Hi guys, samahan nyo kami. Kami ay magpapalit ng points ng battle. Ito. So ito yung ipapalit namin battles. Itong battles na to, may equivalent siya na points dito sa supermarket. So ito yung battle na pwedeng ipalit para sa points. Hindi tinatanggap itong mga gantong battle. So ito lang yung tinatanggap. So come on.
Wait, 02 this. I don't know.
If it's not, it's okay, my gosh.
No, it's not okay.
If they don't accept,
It's here.
go
Pet
out.
1. Pet 1.
Where's it with pet 1?
Zoom.
Hands. Go. So,
CP5.
after namin ito, kami naman ay samahan niyo kami kumuha ng water para sa coffee ni G. So, machine din yon. So, ngayon, itong machine na to, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung...
Didn't time work, I remember.
Diba sa Pilipinas, binebenta yung mga bottles? Before, kinokolek lang sa municipal namin. But ngayon, meron kaming nakita na pwedeng...
No, at the... you need to put the barcode.
So, meron kaming nahanap na ganitong... may nahanap kami na ganitong machine para, para mapakinabangan namin yung bottles. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Meron siyang application.
To do like this, to let a bit open, they say. Let me see.
See, I thought they don't get the cover. Hindi pa laman. So, nakaka-9 na kami. 9.
Until you don't press it.
Once you listen na click,
I don't check just because of my name.
13.
Because of my name, I close one, so he exploded. Because they write here to open a bit.
Every battle have 1 points. Accumulated 1 points. May labot is premiato. Like a premium,
Yes, what is it?
a prize, a reward. So once every one bottle,
I think
equivalent
50.
1 points, and if this is accumulated points.
I think it's
So these points, but this point, you can pay this for the spesa.
no, I go to the space and do a little discount.
Discount.
I don't know, maybe discount.
Okay. Sila lahat.
It's not complete. It's the last. You go here, you see there, go near there.
Okay.
Wait, no.
One more? Okay, finish. So,
29, my gosh. No, mine is still full.
it's
I
okay,
think
go
I want
now.
to do 30.
So, you have to watch in your application. I want to see. Show me if it's already.
Account. Maybe here. Now I have to go out and go in.
So, kami ay kukuha ng water. Is it free?
No, you pay but a bit. No,
So, itong tubig na to,
is,
ginagamit namin sa
is it
coffee.
7 cent. Oh wait. I still have 6 euro. So 1 liter enough? That's the 3. Because my bottle is 1 liter enough. So 3 with lang because I have to go there, my love. Yes, start immediately.
You just put the card.
Ah no, it's 2 liters this. Oh, no, one enough, it's correct. I put the card. I have 6 euro inside.
Is it okay to drink this water?
Yes. Me I don't like, but you can. I use for the coffee this.
Oh,
It's more than 1 liter enough.
so how much is that? 1 cent.
1 liter enough?
Yes, 1 cent.
No, it's not 1 cent. It's 10 cent.
1. It's 1.
1 euro and 10 cent.
It's 10 cent.
Half liter is 35
So
cent.
10 cent yung half liter.
10.5.
So
2
10
liters
cent.
is 14 cent. 2 liter of natural. Gassata is the same. Why they put for the tasti because you. So tasto 3. You think you pay this 1 liter enough? You pay 30.
So may
30 cent
so may
a
mga
liter.
ganitong service dito sa amin. Yung instead na bumili ka ng water sa supermarket,
Yes, it's a bit more.
meron silang ina-offer na ganitong water. So this water, where the water came from?
From the municipal. Is the water we have at home, but is
Like in the Robineto.
But I think it's a bit. No, it's not right.
But it's cold.
Yes, it's super cold. Here. You can read there.
So, yung itong water na to ginagamit lang ni G sa kanyang ano nga to? Kanyang coffee.
Here.
So, i-insert mo yung card. Meron kaming card. Instead of the card, you can put the 5 euro and 10 euro.
Cash or more coins.
The coins.
You put the bottle, your kind of bottle. 0.5 is
So,
one.
where do you get that card?
In front of where you wait me now. Where is it? You remember where they got the newspaper? What is it? Oh, it's
Edicola.
yes, it's 2 euro and a half. Tessera 2 euro and a half.
So yung card na ginamit namin, 2 euro yung ano niya, yung presyo nung card. Instead na yung cash ang ilagay mo, yung coins.
If you put 5 euro, 10 euro, you have 10% of cash, of 10% more discount. If you put a coin, no. If you put the banconote, who is it banconote?
Malamig siya, in fairness. Look, malamig.
What is it
It's
in
cold.
fairness? Yes, a lot. Touch?
So some people drink this water.
Yes.
Not just the same like you. You use
don't
that.
forget this. My parents find a lot of this. You don't have a name, so you can't do a refund. Give back to the people. So we get with the money.
So malamig siya, in fairness. Drinkable daw to, sabi ni G. Pero iniinom niya lang, ginagamit niya lang tong water na to sa coffee.